What's up, everybody? My name is Fabian and welcome to the first episode of my network marketing vlog. Let's roll the intro. Guys, I'm super pumped to finally launch this vlog. But before we dive into the first episode, let me quickly explain you what this vlog will be all about. My name is Fabian, I'm 38 years old. 6 years ago, I took a decision to go full-time in network marketing. Since 4 years, my wife and I are financially free, and since 2 years, we live in the beautiful city of Dubai. One thing, what always occurs when I talk to people and I explain them, hey, I'm a professional network marketer, the first question arises is, how does the life of a professional network marketer look like? What is it what you really do? Is it really that fairy tale that you're actually working just 2, 3, 4 years and then you become financially free? That you travel the world, that you build all those communities around the world, that you have friends in each different country? Let me tell you the truth. Yes, it is like that, but there's a little catch to it. It's called network marketing, not net sign up and chill marketing. So basically there's a lot of work involved, and I want to show you both sides. I want to show you the lifestyle side of network marketing, but I also want to show you the work side of network marketing to help you to fulfill your dreams in that beautiful industry. Let's quickly find out if that vlog is the right vlog for you. So this vlog is dedicated to all those people who want to know more about network marketing, who want to find out if network marketing is the right industry and if they really can make a living by learning the right skill set, mindset and game plan. But it's also for all those people who are already professional in the industry, who already have a business and want to become $1 million earner and or beyond. But also for those people who don't even know what network marketing is and want to find out if it's really worth it. Before we start the first episode ever, there's one last thing to do. I really need to get a coffee. Let's do this. Guys, that's Cookie, my dog, who always wakes me up in the middle of the night like 4 times by licking my face. But I love her, she's amazing. Anyways, so my day started perfectly. I had my coffee, I took a sun bath, I relaxed a little bit. My dog just woke me up, so I am ready to go. Here's what's going to happen today. First of all, we're going to meet in my office and we will talk about the best paid skill in the network marketing industry, which is promoting to events. Afterwards, I will take you to a live event which takes place here in downtown Dubai in the Sheraton Grand, so you can see how a network marketing event really looks like. But now let's shoot to the office. Welcome to my studio. Much better sound here, much better light. I love my studio. Took a while to build it, but hey, we're not here to talk about my studio. We're here to talk about promoting on events. It's one of the most important topics, as I already mentioned, and it is the best paid skill in the industry of network marketing. And if you don't believe so, just think of some examples. So here's one phrase: the best promoters make the most money, and that's a fact. And talking examples, just think of, there's one name you might have heard already. His name is Conor McGregor. And I don't know if you are into MMA, if you're into the UFC, you might have heard his name even, because he became super famous. Why? Because 4 years ago, he was living off food stamps. It's an Irish fighter who had a dream. He wanted to become successful as a fighter. and he wanted to be beyond everybody else. So is he the best fighter in the world? No, he's not. He lost some fights. Is he the best promoter in the fighting industry? 100%. This guy fills stadiums. He has the ability to make people watch his fights. And that's how he became, from a guy who lived off footsteps 4 years ago, he became a person who has right now a net worth of a few $100 million in a period of 4 years. So how did he do that? He mastered the skill of promotion. And here's the secret to promotion. His ability is to tell people why they have to watch his fights. And that's what it all comes down to if you promote. You need to answer people the question, what's in it for me? Why should I come to this event? Why should I buy the pay-per-view? Or in the case of network marketing, why should I attend an event on a weekend when I actually have other things to do usually and my priorities are different? So that's the whole secret. Promoting on events, or let's say the difference between inviting to events and promoting to events, is that one answer. What's in it for you if you come to that event? All right, let's talk about an example. Let's say you have a young mother of 3 kids, single mom, okay? And what do you know about her? You know about her that she wants to change her life because she's not happy by spending just a little bit of time with her kids, not having enough time, being at work all day long, and not even liking her job. So here are a few facts I know about her. If I would tell her about an event, I could say, hey, there's a great event coming up and you should really come. It's amazing. We talk about a new business opportunity. I think it could be for you. That's an invitation. Will it work? Sometimes, but not a lot of times. What works instead is using her hot button. Okay, the hot button in this case is her why, is the reason why she needs to come, or just answering the question, what's in it for her? So instead of just doing an invitation, you could promote it. How would you do that? Hey, listen, there's a big event coming up, and I was thinking of you because you always told me about that you don't have enough time with your kids, that you don't like your job, that you want to spend more time with your family, and you want to change your life around. Is it still the case? What would she answer? She would say yes. Perfect. So, there's that event coming up where I have a friend and she was exactly in the same situation like you were, and I already talked to her about you, and I would love to introduce you because she changed her life around part-time just by building the business I'm building. And man, she changed not only her life, but she changed the life of so many young mothers around the world. So you should really meet her. What do you think? Are you up for it? That's promoting. Okay, so you told her the reason why she should come and what's in it for her. And I want to give you one more technique today, as today it's not really about teaching you how to promote events. We're going to do that in my podcast, for example, or in future episodes. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If I didn't mention already, did I? I don't know, but make sure you subscribe to the channel because this channel is all about learning the skills and becoming very professional in network marketing. Okay, that's it. That's all regarding promoting events for today. And let me quickly check the time. Yep, it's time to leave because our event will take place today in downtown Dubai, which is like 30 minutes from where I live. So I need to get ready quickly because I'm a little bit late already. Jump in the car and shoot over to the event. So let me do it quickly. And we are ready to go. That looks much better. Let's do this. Welcome to downtown Dubai. I just arrived at the Sheraton Grand over here and we are ready for an event. We have around 300 people in the room already. It's called the Discover event and we're gonna cover everything which has to do with mindset, skill set, game plan, and anything else you need to know to become a professional in the network marketing industry. Looking forward to that one. Let's do this. Let me introduce you to one of the coolest guys I've known in all of the industry. He's our general manager, and this guy works more than most distributors. As I catch him here. Nader, what's going on?
He's just lying.
So this guy's traveling the world.
Where have you been coming from right now? Right now, I'm here in Dubai for a couple of days now. Before that, I was in Germany, touring in Germany.
So you didn't go to Moscow?
No, I didn't do that.
That's not your market.
That's not.
You have like 17 markets, but not Moscow.
Not Moscow.
That's it. That was day one of my network marketing vlog. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. Hit the bell button so you'll always get notified when there's a new video coming up. And hopefully I see you in the next episode.